Now we have the JB4 installed on my 2018 Golf R. I just wanted to show you how to use the Bluetooth module with your phone. Right now what I have is Galaxy S3. How you do it is you need to start your vehicle first. My vehicle has been started for about a minute or two just to warm up. What you want to do is when you first get JB4, all depends if you get it used or if you buy it brand new. What you will have to do is make an account and log in. If you bought the JB4 used, a lot of times what you will have to do is you will have to email JB4 tuner named George. He's the one who does all the Volkswagen and Audi JB4 tuning, I believe. So that's the person that I have sent an email to, and he gave me the access, and now I can actually use my JB4 to log and send it to him. So what you're gonna do is once you're in this page, you're gonna press start logging. Sometimes it connects right away and sometimes it doesn't. All depends. So whenever you are about to do some polls, what you usually want to do is press start logging, and then whenever you're done with it, press it again, and then it records the logs. And then what you can do is you can go to the log page, go in here. A lot of times you can do a preview. I'm not sure what I did here, but this is all the basically the logged information that George would be able to take a look at. Another thing is you can go graph and you can see all that. Obviously it's very hard for average person to read this, so like for myself, I have no idea what most of these mean. And then again, you can also do code, reading code. So if there's any kind of code that comes up, then you can read it and also delete it that way. Right now I have no codes on my vehicle, and now we're in the settings. Obviously I'm logged in, and as you can see, there is firmware, view tuning, and then you can go firmware, and depends on a vehicle. Right now, because this is a Volkswagen Golf R, I believe it's the top one that you need to use, EA888. That's the one that you want to use. There are different things that you can do, like logging settings, unit conversions, so you can change it from Celsius, kilometers per hour, to Fahrenheit, miles per hour. Because I live in Canada, we use Celsius and kilometer per hour. And obviously I don't have the boost unit as bar, as we live in Canada, and even states usually use PSI. And then now we're in the gauge settings, where you can change gauge theme, color, boost, max value, which is like 24, 36, 40. Default is 24, as you can see. Average ignition max value, it's at 8. Shift indicator, this is something that you can set. I didn't set any, as I usually look at the cluster instead of looking at my phone when I'm doing a pull. And as you can see, these are my current mods that I have. I just wanted to write everything that I have on the vehicle, as the reason why I wanted to write everything is so if I have to send this log to someone else, they can always see like what I have. I know like the wheels and tires and like resonator delete, oil pan conversion doesn't mean anything on these for a JB4, but I just wanted to have it on a list. So like developer option, I usually don't touch anything there because it says don't touch. And these are connection settings, so you can do like pin if you want to. You can do like auto connect, automatically try to connect on launch. Those are the things that you can definitely do. You don't have to do it, but if you want to, it's something that there is an option to do it. Because my vehicle has the Bluetooth module instead of the data cable, I don't have to use a laptop to change map, which is really nice. I usually just leave it at 4, and to be honest, I find map 4 gets me better fuel mileage on the highway than when I'm using map 0, which is the factory ECU tune. On the highway, I can do about 130, and I average about 8.8 liters per 100, or during summer I usually get like 8.3, 7.9. All depends on the weather, as if it's really windy, your fuel mileage is not gonna be as nice. I'm talking more like just average day, whereas there's no wind or anything like that. And when I'm just on highway speed, I can definitely do better. So as you can see like my RPM fluctuating a little bit. Ignition, AFR, boost, temp for my intake air temp, and also map. So the map is what you, as you can see, whenever I'm putting a little bit of gas, you can see my RPM go up and down. It's pretty, like, I don't really find there's any like lag. It's pretty good in my opinion. It does the job, and I really haven't seen any complaint here. I don't have any complaint on this right now. The bad thing sometimes is it doesn't want to connect to your Bluetooth module sometimes, but that's like that with, in my opinion, that's like that with any kind of Bluetooth device. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, so it is what it is. And that was like half throttle too. I wanted to do a launch control, but lights just turned green. If you guys enjoy this video, give a like and subscribe. That will help a lot for this channel. I want to be able to grow bigger, so I can also spread what I know, and also be able to learn from other people through comment section or anything